I still don't know why it does that. There we go. Look at that, dude. Oh my god. So good, dude. I love it. Really, really love it. This is pretty close, but oh, there she is, guys. Freshly done front bumper, those end caps, painted mesh. Dude, this, like, I should just honestly throw clear coat over this because it looks so good. And I know a lot of you guys loved it when I had the Nardo gray. This is basically it. But let's go ahead, turn the headlights on. I gotta clean out this interior too. All right. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god. At night, it's gonna look so much better. Damn. Don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but if you look, both are lit up. Oh my god. It's so good. Whoa. Let's just do a quick walk around. Jesus. Wow, I am like, can't believe this is my car. We got to get this thing washed, and I still have to figure out what I'm going to do with the wrap, and I am putting a new banner on as well. And I don't know if you guys noticed, also got some vinyl carbon eyelets. Hold on, let's add something to it. Yes, sir. God, this is awesome. Alright guys, just took the car for a quick little just ride around the neighborhood since I really have not driven it much at all lately. Feels so good to drive this thing, but we do have sort of an issue. It could be an issue, could be a very serious issue, or it could not be anything. There's a little bit of smoke kind of coming out of the trunk again. The last time that happened, my car caught fire and we had to replace the entire harness, as you guys know. So don't know what it is. I've inspected the entire harness. I see, or the whole harness in the trunk at least, there's no burnt marks or anything. So I checked the next thing, which would be the air suspension, since that's also in the trunk, and I don't see anything there either. So my guess is maybe the center exit exhaust is having fumes come up through the trunk, maybe. I have no idea. So I think this weekend, off camera, I'm just gonna have to take apart the entire trunk and just really get in there and just fully inspect, take the rear bumper off, see if something with the what do you want to call it, the license plate light, maybe there's an issue with that or something, since if you guys watched one of my previous videos, I have this universal like connector piece, so it's easy access when I need to remove the bumper and stuff. So it could be that. I have no idea, but it's definitely coming from somewhere. So I may need to rip everything apart, the entire left side of the trunk, where there's like that board down there, because that's where it burnt last time. That's where the fire was coming from. Maybe it's coming from the same area. I really have no idea. I will keep you guys updated though, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash up, take a quick break, and then we'll come back out at nighttime and we'll check out the lights. If I think they look good at night at least, we'll keep them. If they're not, if the outside one isn't bright enough, I think I'm gonna take it apart, try to add an LED bulb if even possible, and see if that works. Hopefully it's bright enough how it is, but yeah, so I'll see you guys in I don't know, an hour. Time now, guys, so let's check out the lights. Oh yeah, see? No, that's perfect. Look at that, dude. Yeah, that is awesome. That looks so good. I love it. I think I might try and add a LED, if it even will fit. I don't know if they even make LEDs for that socket part. But if so, I'm definitely going to try it. And if it looks good, then cool. Otherwise, nonetheless, there it is. Guys, a little later in the day, we got everything, or actually a little later in the night, we got the whole trunk ripped apart. I was inspecting the entire harness. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let me check. Let me check all of this. Actually, I did not look at this, but it looks good too. Let me inspect this a little bit more, but for the most part, all the harness over there is good. It's nothing to do with the air ride. So the next step is, and I know for sure it has nothing to do with the taillights. Next step is I'm going to remove the rear bumper and inspect the license plate light, and see if that's maybe what's causing the smoke. And if I still see nothing, it is, and for sure it's going to be the exhaust, and maybe the fumes are kind of just coming up because it's right there, and that's about where it's coming from too. So my guess is maybe the fumes are kind of coming up and everything, and then yeah. So we got it off, and you can see we have that because basically what I added was this plug to there. All of it is fine. There's nothing burnt at all. So my guess is it has to be the fumes or like exhaust, you know, smoke or whatever coming out and kind of coming up through it. Everything else is like totally fine. I don't know really what it was. I'm gonna continue to keep an eye on it. I think I'm gonna keep all of the liner out, everything, so that way if it does start to do it again, I can just pop the trunk and look, because with everything in, it's really hard to see where it's coming from. So I think we're gonna go ahead, throw the front or throw the bumper back on, and then I think I'm gonna end this video. I am going to work a little bit on the tail lights, just to kind of get those a little bit more perfected, I guess you can say. I want to try to brighten up that the outer side. I did throw in one of these bad boys, even a bigger one as well, and it's just not bright. So maybe I'll try to find something similar online that's brighter, and maybe that way we can try to match it, because the inner side circle is a lot brighter, but the outer one, it's close, but it's not there. So I'm gonna search online, see what we can do, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We got a lot done. Make sure to leave your feedback down below, hit that thumbs up, and subscribe if you guys are not already. We just hit 3,700 subscribers, so thank you all so much for that. Really appreciate it. 4K, here we come. Hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.